Hey, this is William from CYBERTRUCKco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your front tow hitch receiver adapter for your winch or bike racks, anything you want. Okay, so first what you have to do is disassemble your truck. Just kidding, not this, not so much. You're just going to take off the front bumper. Once you take the front bumper off, there are going to be 4 15mm screws that hold your tow hooks on here, right? Go ahead and remove those. And then take the provided washers and reuse your hardware and install the new part. So basically the new part fits a little bit snug, and you'll see that the holes are, it only fits one way. So get this guy going in here. Sometimes you have to use a mallet to tap it into place. So take the washer and the original bolt and start to put these back in. Get that lined up correctly there. Okay. I can see this side sort of. You start your bolts by hand first. Make sure you don't cross thread them. Like that. All right, so now you can go ahead and put these back up. Okay, there you have it. Now you have to get your bumper back on.